Course ChatGPT. Welcome to this exciting video tutorial, where we'll be exploring ChatGPT, a revolutionary language model developed by OpenAI. No matter if you're a developer, researcher, or just an AI enthusiast, you'll find this tutorial valuable. So let's dive right in. In the heart of ChatGPT is a machine learning model known as GPT-3, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. This model was trained with a vast amount of internet text, equipping it with an impressive ability to generate realistic and meaningful text. The training process of ChatGPT involves two steps. The first is pre-training, where the model learns to predict the next word in a sentence. It's during this stage the model learns about grammar, facts about the world, and even some reasoning abilities. The second step is fine-tuning. Here, human reviewers step in to review and rate possible model outputs for a range of inputs. This helps to narrow down the system's behavior, ensuring it is safe, useful, and aligns with OpenAI's guidelines. ChatGPT can be used in a wide array of applications, from drafting emails, writing code, creating written content, to tutoring in a variety of subjects. Its ability to generate human-like text makes it a valuable tool in any task that involves language processing. To interact with ChatGPT, you send a series of messages to it, and it will reply. Messages must have a role, which can be a system, user, or assistant, and content, which is the text of the message. System role is typically used for high-level instructions. To get started, you'll need to install the OpenAI Python client. Once installed, you can import the OpenAI API. Then, you can call the openai.chatcompletion.create function and pass in the model name text DaVinci A003 along with your messages. A key thing to remember when working with ChatGPT is managing tokens. In the English language, a token can be as short as one character or as long as one word. For example, ChatGPT is great is encoded into 6 tokens. Keep an eye on the total tokens as it affects cost, response time, and whether the call works at all. Each API call you make to ChatGPT uses a number of tokens, which includes both input and output tokens. Be aware that long conversations are more likely to receive incomplete replies. If a message exceeds the maximum limit, you'll need to truncate, shrink, or omit some text. Remember, while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. It doesn't know specifics about the world and can sometimes produce outputs that are incorrect or nonsensical. Always ensure to review and cross-check any crucial information provided by the model. Finally, it's important to use ChatGPT responsibly. OpenAI has a usage policy that prohibits using the system for harmful or deceitful purposes. Ensuring ethical use of AI technologies like ChatGPT is crucial for the safe and beneficial advancement of these technologies. To wrap up, ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model that can be a game-changer for many tasks. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text can save time, boost productivity, and even inspire creativity. So go ahead, give it a try, and explore the exciting possibilities it has to offer. Thank you for joining this tutorial. We hope you've gained valuable insights into how ChatGPT works, and how you can start using it in your own projects. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy experimenting.